Okay. Hello, I'm Dr. Sharil Hegde, consultant pediatrician, Columbia Hospital, Hebbal, which is a unit of Manipal Hospital. Hello, today I'll be speaking about the flu vaccines. Flu vaccines are vaccines which are given to protect against seasonal flu, which are caused by influenza viruses. These newer flu vaccines are developed twice in a year as this flu vaccine undergoes changes rapidly. These flu viruses, they spread rapidly by droplet infections and can lead to serious complications like bacterial pneumonias, ear and sinus infections, and also dehydration, among other things. And also it can worsen underlying medical conditions like congestive cardiac failures, then asthma and diabetes. This flu vaccine is usually given before the onset of the flu season. In India, it's given mostly during April-May, that is before the onset of this rainy season and also the starting of the school. In southern part, which has a more temperate climate, it can be given in September, October also. Giving that makes sense. This flu vaccine is given above the age of 6 months. Children above the age of 6 months are eligible for the flu vaccine. They are given in a single dose, or they are given in 2 doses at an interval of 1 month for children less than 8 years, and we can subsequently follow up every year. What does this flu vaccine do? This flu vaccine, it protects against the seasonal flu. It protects against the severity of the flu infections. It protects against the illnesses which keep children away from school, and it also protects the family members, because children are the carriers. They can spread this illness to the elderly population. So this flu vaccine in India, it's given in injectable form. It can give a little mild soreness and redness at the injectable site, like minor side effects, and also it can cause other minor side effects like headache, nausea and a mild fever. So what is this role of this flu vaccine during these pandemic times? The symptoms of the COVID symptoms as well as seasonal flu are comparatively similar. So basically what the flu vaccine does is it protects against the seasonal flu. It reduces the panic and the testing regarding to COVID-like symptoms. It reduces the complications of this flu illness, and it reduces the hospitalization. Basically, what it does is it reduces the strain on the hospital infrastructure already overburdened with COVID and other diseases. Thank you.